Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this nice device. This here is a mobile WLAN router, and it comes to us by the nice KuWFi. Yeah, it's a 4G plus router SIM card. 4G CAT6 up to 300 megabit per second. AC1200 Wi-Fi. A DualBand 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz LTE modem, which comes with a 10,000 mAh battery, a LAN port, a 5-color camping light for travel, for camping, for RV, for car, for Wi-Fi, for hotspots. That's a really cool idea, which the manufacturer comes with that. The C290 mobile Wi-Fi router combines the 4G LTE CAT6 Highspeed with a 5-color camping lamp. This travel router with a SIM card automatically switches between mobile and WLAN ports. The access the internet via an LTE data SIM card. The device has its own battery power supply and a DC interface for indoor and outdoor use without broadband connection. And if we place a portable wireless Wi-Fi router on a table and no network is available outside, we can simply connect to the network by inserting a SIM card and connecting it to a computer or projector via the network port. Integrated 10,000 mAh battery allows 40 hours of internet time, plus 10 hours 5-color camping lamp lighting. This is a portable mobile Wi-Fi hotspot for travel, for camping, for motorhome, caravan, and car. With the KuWFi mobile WLAN router, which comes with a SIM card, we can get a download speed of up to 300 megabit per second and an upload speed of 50 megabit per second. That's possible to stream HD videos and a game smoothly and to download documents in no time. That's perfect for road trips, hiking, climbing, party, and mobile use. The dual-band Wi-Fi can connect it up to 10 devices. The 5 GHz signal remains strong even during interferences, while the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi provides a greater range. Fast, stable Wi-Fi for family and friends. If we cannot get a free stud package of 2 GB data volume after we activate our SIM card, which is included, we should get an information and then it will be enabled. So that means you can have 2 GB data storage or data transfer to use this router first. After this, of course, you can insert your own SIM card if you like this, or subscribe the SIM card which is included. Then the 10,000 mAh battery delivers power for up to 50 hours of operation. Active battery life may vary depending on the usage, of course. It is offered at the most efficient network services, no matter where we are. Perfect for the home office, in the countryside, or the movie night in the tent. The bypass speed throttling of this mobile operator here configures the TTL value to hide tethering and get the full speed that your smartphone would also get. The IMEI cloning function offers additionally flexibility too. You can choose what you prefer. This all is possible with such a device, and it's a really cool thing because, the full through port for the demanding tasks. We connect it to a PC, laptop, or a smart television via Ethernet cable for lag-free, wiretapping-proof, and highly stable cable connection. This ideal as a primary internet access. Even if our SIM card is compatible with a C290 LTE router, it does not necessarily have to be plug-and-play capable. So we may need to deactivate the SIM card's PIN code and change the APN. Easy manage the settings from the web interface. 2.168.199.1 if we connect it to the KuWFi router. As you can see here, easy peasy, baby. Roaming service as well as a virtual SIM card and a IoT SIM cards are not supported in that. This all and more brings us this KuWFi mobile Wi-Fi router, a 4G plus router who is using a SIM card. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.